Hi, it's Chris again from C&H Auto Accessories, C&H Auto Accessories, sorry. And I'm coming from the Big Show in Texas by Keystone. Now, what do we have here? Well, we have the Truxedo Elevate Rack system. Now, as you know, I've already done a video of this, and I did on the Roll Lock XT. Well, what do we have here? Well, we have the Retrax with the XR rails. So again, it's another rolling cover with a T-slot. Now, as you can see, it fits really nice. Now, these go up and down. That means this is right now at the 18-inch level. This will go up to the 28, so this can be brought up a little higher. Why would you want it higher? Well, for example, I got a 13-foot kayak. I like it a little higher, so it goes over the roof of the vehicle. Now, this one has a tent on it, which you don't necessarily need to go that high. Now, again, on the Elevate Rack system, you got 3 different weights. You got your 750 pounds if it's stationary, like if you're off-roading, you want camp, you got your tent there. If you're doing normal driving, it holds 500 pounds. Now, if you're doing off-roading, this holds 250 pounds because you're off-roading. So keep that in mind. So when you weigh these up here, if you're going to be going really heavy off-roading, don't go too heavy. But again, once you park, it'll take more weight. I love the Truxedo Elevate system, if I can say it correctly. Main reason is I like it goes up and down. You have 2 different heights. So it's like getting 2 things for the price of 1. And it works for a lot of different T-slot setups. Now, in my videos, again, you've seen the Roll Lock XT. This is the Retrax Pro XR. They also sell its own system that goes with folding covers and stuff. It's a great new product. I like it a lot. I think it's a great value. It's reasonably priced. It is a little less money than some of the competitors, and I think it does a little bit more. Again, if you see this and you say, you know what, I want to get it, you can order directly from our website. You can call the store. The store number, the website, and the address to the store is on the bottom of this YouTube video. So any of this you can give us a call. We'll make sure we get you the right stuff. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Texas. That's right, I'm at the Keystone Big Show, and this is the Truxedo Elevate Rack system. Thank you.